Hello my dear traders, this is the continuation video for trading journal. This is the video number 2. I have been discussing about what is journaling in day trading and how to journal your trade details. Okay, so today I'm going to give a template, it's like some form of template where you can include these things in your trading. Get idea from the template and include these in your trading. Whether you are trading indices, stocks, bitcoin, silver, gold, anything, just try to include. If you are watching these two videos and you have subscribed to this channel, so just uh, go through the template and try to use whatever it needs. Okay, so as I am trading Indian markets, indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have prepared for my sake the trading journal. Now you can use this detail and fill this in your trading journal. If you want more details on how to journal your trades, I am going to continue this series. For now, today I have done a pre-market analysis complete video on indices. No matter it is indices or any other thing, the matter here is try to use this trading idea, journaling idea in your particular trading style. This is what I would like to inform you. So let me show you my trading journal template here, and I'm going to explain this in detail. Okay, why I'm using this in detail I'm explaining. So if you want to watch the complete video about this, okay, the complete video about this, how I actually in the live market, in the live, how I mark these levels, write down in my trading journal, everything explained in this video, everything. So if you want to watch this video, I'm going to give the link in the description section. So after watching this video, if you want a deep idea about how I do the journaling, pre-market journaling and the post-market reflection journaling in the same template, you can watch this complete video. So let's get into the trading journal template. As per the indices, I have to include some strong supports and resistances in my trading journal. Okay, that's why I always say that you have to create your own trading system, your own trading journal template with the help of some mentor. In this way you can make money. So this is what working out for me. I'm going to mark the gap borders, swing highs, swing lows, supply and demand zones, the virgin CPR, what is the trend of the market, what is pivot width analysis, everything. Okay, everything I am going to mark in this pre-market analysis. What are the emotions of me sitting at the table, whether they are calm, they are angry, there are some frustration related issues with me, I'm going to write them in my trading journal. Why I'm writing them? Because there is a pattern of making profits, there is a pattern of making losses, so while I'm doing this, I would like to get the data as much as possible. So once I get the data, if anything went wrong on that particular day or anything went really right on that particular day, I come back to this, write it, read it, analyze it, tweak it. This is how actually I am doing the trading nowadays. So this is the template. If you want this template, you can mail me at tradingtricks44@gmail.com so that I can mail this to you, because giving this document link in the description is not possible for me. I have tried multiple times, but the link is not activated on that description. So I found out that if you mail this, if you want this, mail me here so I can reply back to you with this trading journal. So the motto here is you have to include whatever you want in your trading journal according to what instrument you are trading. If you are trading bitcoin, there may be some specific things you have to include your trading journal. If you are trading with crude oil, some specific things have to include depending upon the system. If you want any help regarding this, you can approach me. I can mentor you how to create your own trading journal, no matter what instrument you are trading, no matter on which index you are trading, which stock you are trading, which bitcoin or any other thing you are doing. I'm going to mentor you how to create your trading journal to your particular system by understanding your needs. I'm going to design it, give some advice on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to give the link in the description so that you will know how I have adopted the trading journal concept to my strategies here. Okay, this is the video 3. If you are new to this channel, just watch this video. First video, trading highs in what is journaling in day trading. Next, the video 2, and the third one is this. Thank you so much. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.